Comergence is so essential to the mortgage industry really because it's the original marketplace of the mortgage industry. I like to use the analogy that if the mortgage highway existed, Comergence is the on-ramp to that. So it's where new companies that are either mortgage bankers, banks, credit unions, brokers, one of the first stops after they get their NMLS ID is to go into Comergence. And that's where they start looking for the investors that they need to either broker loans or sell loans to. So that's a huge benefit to the broker business or the broker industry, as well as the retail side, banks, credit unions, and IMBs as well. The flip side of that is the investor side. And what we do there that's so critical is it helps these organizations grow at a pace that their risk tolerance matches. So somebody who wants to grow really fast can really use our tools. They can use prospect marketing, they could use Counterparty Oversight to combine both that I want to increase my origination production, but I want to do it in a compliant and de-risked way so that I can identify who are the players that I want to do business with in the marketplace. Some of the tools, like investor marketing, give them capabilities to identify how much origination people are doing, what type of production they're doing before they decide to prospect them or start their phone calls. We always like to tell people, everybody knows the bell curve, 80% of activity or business or results are driven by 20% of whatever it is you're looking at. So for example, 80% of my volume is going to come from 20% of my originators. So how can I target, even within those originators, who are the loan officers that are generating 80% of that volume that they're doing? Because those are the people that AEs will reach out to talk to say, hey, we've got products that match for you. So upcoming, we're doing more exciting things with our innovation where we're taking across the OB family of products and saying things like, hey, for Loansifter, people that are participating in there, we get a nice feedback loop where if I'm a originator and I'm in Loansifter, I perform a search, it's easier for me to see that, oh, this investor is being promoted, but I don't have a relationship with them yet. It's easy to get to Comergence then and say, hey, I want to get a relationship started with this investor because I know they have a product right now today for a loan that I want to do. And equally for the investors have that ability to see, promote themselves, and then see who's searching for my types of products and what types of products, and now it becomes a virtual prospect list for them to see. These are the types of people that actually have products for me. And now they can use prospect marketing to say, well, what kind of production are they doing in addition to that? Should they be a prospect and should I reach out to them? So for all those reasons and a few more, that's what I think Comergence is so important to the mortgage industry.